Okay.
Bro, she's so cute. This is you guys' new game. Oh. Nice.
Huh?
So, being the king looks like that, Cat seems overwhelmed by this whole celebrity effect.
What are you, Mama?
The lesson here from Cat: when you like someone, chase after at all cost.
What? No. Oh my god!
Time for a quick quiz. What's that thing, folks? Hint: a weird creature.
Can I have some catnip? Dude, let me get some catnip. It's not all yours. I want catnip. Why are you hiding it under you?
Even their playtime is pure chaos. It's impossible to guess what will they do next.
Welcome.
Bruh.
Hey, Zuma. Steve's in there. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no.
Of course, cat owners want to have cool decorations. Still, reality hits hard.
Wellness every day. On today's category, New York City. This music hall.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Excuse me. Dude. What? What are you doing? Goodness.
Where's...
I'm sorry for ignoring you. Can I have a kiss? Oh, yes. Can I have another kiss, please? What the you do?
Well, they always say you have to seize the opportunity.
I don't think I could make it on the outside, Andy.
Back up, girl. Good girl, go outside. Good girl. Good Luna, good girl. Come on.
Cat parents on Fiverr should add a notice about how their cats might affect work.
like exhibitions and things. They are well, the first one's not. Which do you think here? You've got them here. It's the B one, the here one. No.
Tell me, he's training for some kind of prom.
Let me pet you.
What can I get for you? Hi, yes, can I get...
Choices. And it's not something I knew before, but I was excited by it. And I'm always drawn to fascinating stories.
Huh?
Saying anyone.
Hey.
But he is really making me laugh. Wow!
You did it.
Man, is that really nice? Is that really nice?
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Бежит! Давай, Голуби. Красавчик.
For some reasons, they always love getting stuck.
That's a good girl. That's my kitty.
Have you ever seen a cat get their knee reflex checked?
Oh.
You see a meal, cat sees a chance.
Don't do. No.
Don't let cats know where your important stuff is. They plot a lot.
Lucifer, what did you do? How did you get that stuck inside? How did you even do that? Come here. Oh my gosh, Lucifer.
It's like you're in my mom's lap.
He's sitting on the cat. He's sitting down on this. Get off this cat.
What are you doing in that dish? What are you, a casserole? I get it, casserole. You get it? Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. What? What are you doing? You need toilet paper? Huh? What are you doing in the toilet paper?
Completely wrong formula, and yet a decent result.
Nudicrous, what are you doing? Don't be a mean man over there. I'm watching you. He's always starting some shit.
Hey! Hey! Yeah! 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 Hey! 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 Get up! Hey! Hey! Get up! Hey!
Chance is, sofa sellers might benefit the most from cat owners.
Yeah, natural obstacle. Can't touch it.
Oh, the kitty! Hey. Oh, the kitty would have gone in right to the bogey.
When you feel like giving up, don't.
I'm at the stage in my life where I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I'm gonna do what I wanna do.
Oh, where could the top of my sandwich gone? Was it you? What? Did you eat my sandwich?
Hey.
No, River. No.
Oh my God, bro.
Biscuits, biscuits, it's time to make biscuits. Knead the dough between my toes until I'm feeling sleepy.
Survival rule number 1. Never touch a cat's prey.
Are you okay? Wer ist das? Gefährlich. Hast du Angst, bisschen?
Zor azgın yangınlar.
You might want to drink less next time, buddy, to control yourself, you know?
Baby!
What's going on?
I'm making out with cheese stuff. Yeah, he mentions that he's going out of town, so he's gonna get in touch.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up. Under arrest.
You love your daddy? Oh my. He never does that to me anymore.
Yeah? What is it? Are you gonna bite me?
There can't be two handsome guys in the same house.
It's her Clay. It's her Clay.
Are you okay?
How's your day going? Okay. I mean, what are you gonna do today? Sounds good. Did you get like a good night's sleep?
Sushi, no. Sushi. Sushi!
Repeal it and replace
No.
it with something absolutely much.
Mojaico. Tốt rồi. Coco.
Learn this cat. It sees the fun in everything. Have no money to watch UFC? Raise 2 cats. Not every cat is a gangster. Some like him prefer the goofy life.
I love how you're trying to defend me, but at the same time, you're so concerned. What are you doing? Hey, what the heck are you doing? Are you bored?
The real detectives are on their case, and no treats could flee from the scene.
Hi, baby.
Right there.
No, it's fine. I mean, you should just, this morning, on it. I'll go get you.
Luis ist hetzelfde.
Ze heeft hetzelfde.
Cats from all sizes love games. Entertain them.
Can I have this? Thank you. Charlie.
The day before he died, the whole nighttime, that he told me that he loved me.
Funny how cat bed companies keep losing money to plain cardboard boxes.
Look at her head! She's so weird! You're weird!
No.
Sometimes knowing when it's enough gives you true happiness.
Oh my god.
That's what I call doom scrolling.
Evolution failed. Now even a toy cat can spook an actual one.
Oh, she's scared.
Toy makers, create something matching Cat's silliness. Work every time.
Oh my gosh! Jay!
Fucking number I need to get. Hey, mama. Hey.
Harley! Give it to me! Oh my goodness!
No! No! You can't have him!
Oh my god!
It seems that in this situation, Cat's size does minimize something important.
Absolutely serious. Everything is on sale, including the sofas and furniture, mattresses, outdoor.
Trying to be funny and getting 0 laughs, universal pain.
Sports though, good stroke by Whiteside making both free throws. First 2 points in the game for Hassan. That's Jerry Williams going to say, ship them.
Paying attention to your surroundings isn't a slogan, it's a survival guide.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that. You want my cat?
Bruh.
That cat keeps the whole block secret.
Dan bermasta itu kelamin. What?
Pretty much the approach every funny guy uses to win over the popular girl.
With Yorkshire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide in her family.
Oi, get off! May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Kitty, you can hit her back. Not that many times.
Bah, non, qu'est-ce qui t'arrive?
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, look at Penny. Living a life over there.
Few see it, but this one knows who the real enemy is. Curiosity starts it all, every time, everywhere.
No, wait, atrás. No, wait, ay. You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Prison.
Everyone's got blind spots, and this squirrel just simply saw through that. Nothing can stop a cat from going outside when the will is ignited. When you nap a bit and suddenly everything's missed. A great plan must have been written, just poor execution.
No love.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.